So it's another hot one in Florida. Got the cart, got the wife and the dog headed to the boat for a nice little luncheon at the Sailor's Return, I think it's called, in Stuart. Come along. I dropped something.
Here, put
it's
it
still
in
ice.
Here, put it in here.
I'm fine. I was just trying for a specific angle. Didn't work out. Tammy and Gene. Tammy and Gene. Go on the boat with Bentley.
But you're not filming right now, are you?
I'm rolling away.
No, you're not. He is? Oh,
he films everything. Tell him not to.
First stop's going to be for ice for the cooler. So we have at our condo a marina ice chest. It's behind this secret locked code right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it opens. It's a great combination. It's not really the combination.
He's gotta get the ice.
Don't waste it.
There's not that much in there.
Well, we're gonna clean it up.
The ice machine is definitely not making ice. Look how empty that bin is. Okay, minimal ice, but this will get us to where we're going if you keep the lid closed. Oh,
Yeah,
one
hey.
piece of ice. It's valuable.
The alcohol's
So apparently the ice machine's not working. It seems to be running, but it's not making ice. And I don't think that many people this weekend took it out. And
I can run back and get the dry ice cold pack.
we'll stop and get ice. No biggie. All right, so apparently there's a lot of boaters this weekend and they all took the ice, but the ice machine's not making ice. And I noticed it was low Friday, but all the maintenance people were gone, so there was no one to tell. So we'll just have to find out what's going on.
He was nervous the first day, couldn't figure out the spot. Then the next 4 days he was good, but on day 6 he was like, yeah, I need land. But I truly think he gets the rocks like I did, because when we got home, he just stayed like this and he wouldn't close his eyes.
Hi, Mr. Wiggles.
He wouldn't close his eyes.
That's the way to do it. That's relaxing. Not yet. Not a lot of boats out today for all the ice being gone. I mean, this is Memorial Day weekend, right? No one's out. Jorge's here. Todd's here. We're here. Oh wait, we're leaving.
Todd's in Kentucky.
What you doing?
Stop filming. Please stop filming.
We're lowering the boat. Down she goes to the depths of the ocean. Got anchor storage compartment here, engine right down in there. Everything looks good. There's our back anchor. Close that compartment.
Ron, don't hate me. I broke something on my boat.
All right, Brutus.
How many things in 35 years of mine have you destroyed?
Just
Her heart. My cars, my house.
see what I gotta put up with. You don't give me any hard times, do you? No, you don't.
No, they're the easiest.
All right.
All
All
right,
right, now you need the engine compartment up.
it's done. That's already done. That's good. We'll close this up and
We need the,
we gotta pull the wagon over the cooler and put the stuff on the boat.
where's the keys so I can
I
get
have
down
them in my
below?
hand, in my pocket.
'Cause don't you want me to put the pad
Keys.
up?
Yep. Oh, you want the pad up?
Well, Well, if we're gonna go through the lock, I gotta sit on something.
Yep. Pad up.
I don't care, this one. Yeah, I'm just gonna kneel on it, stuff like this. I don't scald my knees.
It gets hot,
No shit.
and you had the cover on it.
Cover on what?
The
Well,
window.
out here it's hot. You know, the good thing about leaving the cover on for 5 days, this pad, is I think it stretched it out enough that it's easy to snap.
The secret to this cooler is one up, one down. Here, can you hold that? This end in first, and that end goes up. If you put them both end down, you crack the case. Out we go.
What did I do in my drink cup? Yeah, there it is, right there. That Yeti. Thank you very much. It needs,
And it's purple.
and it
Look at
needs
that,
something.
Yours is purple.
It needs something delicious in it.
Leaving the friendly confines.
So those seakeepers you said are working now?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, they were great. They're gonna fix so fast that that's why you don't bounce. It just,
That's amazing.
it corrects everything immediately. Yep. Let me grab my phone. All right, stop licking me. It's very hot.
What's the matter?
A little warm. It's only 99 degrees. I know every city has a miserable mile, but this is our miserable mile. It starts right there, and it's all because there's a college here, Florida Atlantic University, who have got this canal that is a absolute do not enter, you will be shot trespassing, blah, blah, blah. Just kidding about that, but you can't go in there. But the building you see at the end of that canal is the college, Florida Atlantic University. It's a marine branch. Anyhow, because of that canal, this whole area about a mile long is a no-wake zone. And it's just in the middle of nowhere, so we just have to put up with it.
There's something to be said for it. Come here, right here. You can't sit with Daddy yet.
About another quarter of a mile and we'll be out of our miserable mile here at Harbor Branch Marine.
What's up? Nothing much. Woohoo! Ah, there you go.
forgot to film it, but we went and just got some ice. Tree made the leap from the boat to the dock. It was gymnastics at its best. Olympics look out. Here we are at the Stuart City docks. Free tie up for the day. Got a big cruise leaving. Here we go. We are secure, as secure can be. Guess we're not going to Lush. Looks like Lush is closed.
Let's go. We're gonna go to the Black Marlin restaurant and bar. We can sit at the bar.
So we're gonna go across the street to the Black Marlin.
Big glass of water and a martini. That one's closed too? They must all be down.
Everything's closed.
Spritz is open just in case.
Spritz is open.
That's because it's Sunday, they're closed.
Let's go to Spritz.
Spritz is open right
We
here
can
on
sit at the
corner.
bar at Spritz.
All right, Black Marlin's closed. Now we're going to Spritz.
She said she finally put on a little makeup today and she's going for a walk.
What'd you get?
Aperol Spritz.
An Aperol Spritz. And you got a martini.
Yeah.
And I'm the boat driver and I got a Diet Coke.
You can have a pina colada at our next place.
Just one. No, stay down. Thank you.
He's happy now.
All right, off we go. Sailor's return, right?
Yep.
Yes, please.
Ron, turn around with Bentley. Bentley!
We got the best ride in the place. See, I could live in Stuart. I like this town so much. And I would live right there. I would live right
Special place.
We're stuck in Fort Pierce.
there. Well, we're on North Hutchinson Island. We're not
Well, that's, yeah.
You guys are getting the bright line.
completely bummed.
Yes, we are.
We are bummed.
Where are they going to
Well,
put it?
You know, it was a competition and you guys lost.
We did.
Yeah,
Even though you guys sued them when you didn't want them.
We sued them for over $5 million in fees.
And still
And
got
lost.
them.
Yeah, and lost. And then everybody jumps on board. Well, we got to get a station now. What are we going to do now?
Couldn't you live
We're
here?
gonna pay another. Bye, Bentley.
Say bye.
Thank you.
Sorry, spoiled the
They go too quick.
Oh, so you're each getting one. I escargot friend.
Because it goes so quick.
It does.
And then
As far as pina colada goes, this one is amazing. That's good.
Yeah.
Taste second.
It's got this gorgonzola cheese melted on there. Is that alright with you?
Oh, I love it.
Go for it.
Oh, please, he has YouTube channel. Cheers.
There we go. There we go.
Yeah, hit with cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, cheers. Thanks, Gabe.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it. Yeah, maybe tell people what it is. When I first started eating escargot, though, it was at a place called Le Coco Bon in downtown, well, on Orange Avenue in Orlando. This is before we had restaurants. This is in the days of before him, when Arnold Palmer
They're all eating snails.
and Dr.
All right, we're at the Sailor's Return restaurant in Stuart, Florida. It's just underneath the railroad bridge, and you hang a left. And it's a beautiful restaurant, nice dining, got an amazing marina, lots of room for you to pull up. The boating, you could use fender buoys, but it's got the rub rails on the outside posts. Nice sturdy cleats there. Large boats in the marina. They have full fuel pump outs. Here's a dock, there's a boats coming in just for some quick meal. Pretty good shape. Anyhow, it's definitely somewhere you might want to consider stopping. All right, that was an excellent meal. Had a good time, and definitely come back again. Food was very good, service was excellent, and definitely recommend the place. It's called Sailor's Return.
It's like being in the mountain, which, okay, that's only 2.5 to 3 months out of my life. The rest of it, no, I'm a city boy.
Say goodbye, Al.
Bye, Bentley. Bye, Bentley.
You know what? Next time I see him, it will be see the dog, and he'll be like,
Yeah, exactly.
I'm going wherever I need to go. No question about it.
Just doing what I'm told.
Here, hang on, I'm gonna give you, here's a wrap. What else are we missing? I got 3 wraps and I got 2 ropes. Where's the
Untie
third?
us and we'll go.
Wait, I'm not, here, then wrap this, participate. You can have that one if you prefer it. You good there or you want to lounge? You can lounge. Ryan, you need a soda? Go.
I'm good.
Here.
Oh wait, I guess I'm out. That's all right.
Well,
I'm fine.
don't take off yet. No, we haven't done that on Don't shut it off.
Seakeepers off.
No, now it's off. Feel the difference already. Yeah, it's you. Stop turning it off.
Seakeeper back on.
Yeah, woke up Tammy and Gene. Don't mess with it.
Bentley didn't like it when the seakeeper goes off.
Neither did Gene. You woke him up. Have you still been doing That's the one by Cobb's where you get fuel. That's probably where you went with Rolly and got flip-flops. Because we bought flip-flops too in there. Overpriced, but we bought them.
It's one of Gene's favorite, though.
Ron got...
Hey, can you move over a little bit, Bentley?
And was like, he didn't have any shoes. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? So I had to buy a $50 flip-flop in there. Okay, this feels much better, thank you.
Time for a cigar. Gotta have a cigar.
As long as you don't burn holes in my boat.
There's
We'll
people
try not
over
to
there
burn the
doing
dog.
Same thing.
Yep. Yep. Love this boat. He's in a no wake area. Just means no wake for everyone but me. I'll just blow right by these boats here, knowing that the sheriff's office is rescuing people in the inlet. If you look at the shore right here,
All the clams
watch
will spit.
how it starts to retreat as we go by. See that?
And they'll spit. And then see we're kicking it out and then comes back.
Well, the boat's put away. The only thing we suffered today was a broken windshield wiper. We'll pick up a new one. But we had a great day. Sailor's Return was a restaurant. Gene and Tammy were with us. And all in all, it was just a lot of fun today. Had our moments, but if you ever watch a video and the boaters go out and it makes it look like sunshine and Jesus all day long, I got news for you. The stuff you don't see behind the camera are the arguments, the stop yelling at me, and so on and so forth. And that's just part of getting excited when things start to go south quick. But as we all learn and we get better, we'll have a better understanding of what our jobs are on the boat. My wife is new to boating. I've been doing it my whole life. I guess I need to teach better. And by teaching better and helping explain something, that doesn't mean shout it louder, because that doesn't seem to work. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow it slowly but surely. If I keep pumping out the videos, you guys will keep watching. Thanks a lot for coming along today. We had a blast. Take care. See you next one.